How do you want to start this?
I don't know.
Okay, great.
It's a piece of crap. The CPU fan, to my knowledge,
What
doesn't
is
run.
this?
This? A Compact Desk Pro.
Okay, so today we have a Compact Desk Pro. It's from the 90s for sure. You know how old it is when you got a floppy drive? And
The top says weed. Just an FYI.
oh yeah, this was a school computer at one point in time. You know what's old? Do you remember this from elementary school when you had the volume button on the disk drive?
Yes.
That means a lot. So we're gonna try to fire this beast up after we got it from the local high school because they were renovating and clearing all their computers. So you have everything hooked up.
Yeah, there's a nice Cooler Master fan down here. I know it doesn't spin worth a crap, or at all. Yeah, we're gonna see if it even turns on.
So is it plugged in?
Yes.
Okay, no, it's good. It's good. We have a red light.
Oh.
Are you,
Hard drive's plugged in.
is it plugged?
That's
Is it plugged in down there still?
Yeah, it's still in here from here. The RAMs?
So it
Yeah, maybe.
motherboard connection. Okay, so it might not work at all.
Open power.
Supposedly the school said it ran when it was done. Now we did get it for free, so it doesn't really matter that way. But
it tried to fire once.
have you tried turning it on and off again? Okay, now the thing I'm wondering is this button even working? Can we short out the pins?
I've tried moving that.
Okay, hold on. We're gonna have to lay this down on its side. Okay, so I think it's the power button that's broken.
Yeah,
So we're gonna pull this. I don't know how you can see that on the camera.
I don't know. Yeah.
Okay, well it's one of these pins down here.
I'll just hold this for you.
So supposedly you're supposed to be able to short out pins that should turn on. But this is having bigger issues than I think, and this is not how you're supposed to do it
No.
at all.
It's got nothing, boys and girls.
I'm trying to power. We got nothing. Oh, that wasn't plugged in all the way.
We still got nothing.
I think we have a dead power supply. No, because the board should post even if
Nothing's right. It should do something.
the power supply should at least. Is there a switch on the power? No, there's nothing.
Okay, right now. I'm pushing this in as hard as I can.
No.
Pull the power supply out. That would make a difference.
Okay, we're swapping power supplies.
Got
Your lights on full. Okay, it's like 26, 25.
Okay. So there's that. I don't think this doesn't have like a board power. I only have 24 pin.
No, but that should be okay. Let's go back to the original switch.
Okay, we don't need anything else on here. That's that. Here's that power.
Okay.
Oh, I think I saw the fan move.
Alright.
Okay, power supply. There's green light on the power supply. Power supply works.
Green light.
It is running. The power supply is running. I saw the CPU
We got a
fan
post.
drive. We got a post.
Hold on.
Keyboard error.
Let's,
Interesting. I'm just gonna kind of. Hopefully that might stay.
F1 to resume, but it's keyboard error. Is it plugged in?
Yes.
God, I can't resume if there's a keyboard error. Okay, so we have a dead
Keyboard
power
plugged
supply.
in. Yeah, this power supply is shit.
But here's the issue. I hate this. Keyboard error. You need a keyboard to resume.
F1 to resume. Do you have a USB switch for a keyboard?
No.
No. Okay.
Alright. So I have my
Yeah.
secondary keyboard.
Oh, F1 resumed.
We got a working keyboard. Oh, that's because you don't have power in the
In the what?
hard drive. It's looking for a boot device.
Oh. Derp. I just want to see if the boot will.
Press any keyboard ready. Yeah, we're not putting the floppy
There's
in.
power. I hear it spinning.
I know, it's gonna try boot from the floppy though, I think. Hold on. It is.
Just restart this whole situation.
Yeah.
Okay, now hopefully it'll boot from a hard drive.
You don't call us
Just plugged in.
tech crazy for nothing.
No. We're just pulling things, doing
This is
things.
heck. When the workbench comes, this is gonna be so much easier.
Still trying to boot from a floppy.
Oh.
What is its problem with life? The floppy doesn't have power, but now try to boot. There we go. Boot from a
So
floppy.
you unplug the floppy drive. Oh my god, when is it actually starting?
Wow, that's farther than it did.
Hold on.
It's actually going
Hold
to
on, the
start.
bar's still moving. You know, this might not have started before if you had a bad power supply, if it was dying.
Maybe.
We might have a working Windows 2000
Oh my
professional
God.
machine.
Windows 2000 Professional might actually fire here. I know, I was told this computer used to be hooked up to like a server system, so I don't know what's going to be on here.
Well, this was part of the old school domain system.
Yeah. It was in a room connected to a server system running
Oh my god, we
Balls.
actually got... So it wouldn't boot before
because it didn't have
because
a
you didn't
power
have,
supply.
you didn't have enough power.
Interesting. FYI, this power supply will not fit in this case, but
It
we'll
would.
actually probably make it.
No, that's a small power supply.
Well, that was power supply.
We're not taking a good power supply and putting it in a shit computer with a CPU fan that doesn't spin.
Yeah.
Can you get it to spin? Oh, I almost got it. Once you get it going, I think it would go.
Or you go into a setting maybe somewhere. and you can get it to fire on.
yeah. Okay, I don't know.
God, that hard
Can
drive.
you hear the hard drive?
Did you do anything?
Hold on. I might be referring back to this keyboard now. Can you hit Alt? Does the mouse work? No. Is the mouse even plugged in?
Yes.
It is.
Oh. This board could self. Oh my god, that's hot.
Is it?
Feel the top of the fan. It's getting a little toasty.
We might want to shut this down before it melts.
This thing might melt. It might melt.
Okay, now we know this computer at least boots and posts. We have a bad CPU. It's Windows 2000. Stay tuned for one of our upcoming videos where we melt this CPU.